How to set a preferred pickup location in Bolt. Want Bolt to remember your go-to pickup spot? Here's how to set a preferred pickup location in Bolt. When you open Bolt, tap the pickup box on the home screen. Search or select your favorite address like your home or office, and then tap the heart icon or save as favorite. You can label it as home, work, or give it a custom name. Next time you open the app, those saved spots will appear instantly, so you don't have to type them in again. Add frequently used phrases during quiet times. It will save seconds. What's your go-to pickup location? Drop it in the comments below. And that's how you can set a preferred pickup location in Bolt. And if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.